How to fake a candle flame animation. This is the image I'll be using today. Start by adding a waviness node, which will be vertical. Copy these settings. Add a mask around the flame. There is movement already, but it doesn't look natural. So, add another waviness node, but this time set it to horizontal. Add a mask. Next, we need a camera shake node. This will introduce some randomness. And again, copy the settings. Mask out everything but the flame. At this point, the movement looks fine, but some cosmetic tweaks would help. We need some flickering, light rays located in the middle of the flame, combined with the glow, work really well. And that's it. Feel free to play around with the settings to fit your project. And of course, have fun.